you need these 5 things if you want to start. Once you have these 5 things, it makes it a little bit simple, a little bit easier. It makes it a little bit more doable. Rushing around here to meet somebody out. I'm so happy now. I used to be so angry and pissed off because the girls tried to jump me at the pawn shop. And I do pass by there several times. And I just think like, thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Thank you, Buddha. Thank you, Jehovah. Thank you, all the great powers. Because I always said I wanted to leave there. The wintertime made me say that. But at the end of the day, people are slowly coming to me. They are. Because really, they tried to ruin my business. They tried to fuck me over. But it didn't work. So, yeah, I'm meeting somebody today. And I've been meeting people. And if we've met, thank you. Can you see me? Can you see me? I used to always wonder if they could see me when I was outside. Because they wouldn't stop. When people don't stop, you think they can't see you. They see you. They just not stopping right now. Maybe they don't have the funds, or maybe they just don't know the quality of what you have, or maybe they're just busy and they'll come back later. But this is a mix. This is strawberry butter, and I'm gonna do original Egyptian musk with it, because I do blends. Strawberry butter and original Egyptian musk. That'll do it. Roll-on balls on the top. Where are my roll-ons? Where are my roll-ons? What are you doing today? What is your favorite scent? Do you mix your fragrances? Or you just wear one blend? Either way, they're nice. Get over here. When they don't fit like that, it's like a top is already in there. So, she's getting 5 for $35. I'm gonna make them up. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to you, Daddy, if you've been playing mommy role. Because there's a lot of single dads that play mommy role. Or maybe mommy's there and you're still playing mommy and daddy role. So, happy day, actually, right? It's every day, right? I'm out here. It's Mother's Day, and one of my customers, if you don't know me, my name is Renee. My mom named me Renee, but they call me Lady Outside because I started a legal business outside, paying taxes and everything. Yep, tallying up. If something is $5, you charge tax. If something is $10, you charge tax, and you're giving it to the Division of Taxation, wherever you live at, and you're got a legal business. On your tax return and on everything, it says your business name. I started a business doing that, but outside. Where I honestly actually love being. And I'm not outside anymore like I used to be, but I teach people how to start a business. And I prefer that the location be outside. So that's what I teach. She is on the way. She is getting a couple of fragrances. My stash has decreased since I've been outside, and that's only because I serve specific people. I don't serve the general public. Unless you're online right now and you see me, then I'll probably blend something for you. And don't tell me about my stuff is not organized, because I organize my stuff in my brain. So yeah, that's that. But she wants a couple of drams, so I'm gonna pour them for her before she comes, or maybe she's not shy on camera, and I'll let you see what she says about the oils. Okay, there's 2 so far. We got 2 so far. 2. Then she wants a fragrance called Body, and that's straight up by itself. I have this much left. So we're gonna do the Body. Pour that in there. I fill mine all the way up. We fill it up, not half bag like a potato chips, but we fill our oil all the way up to the top. And we don't need Vaseline with the oil. You don't need anything with the oil. All you need is roll it on. Why do you wear oil fragrances? Why do you shop with Lady Outside to get your oil fragrances?
I shop with Lady Outside to get my oil fragrances because first, I love to smell good. Also, first, hers is pure and uncut, not like that watered down substance you get at the hair store. Okay. My skin is sensitive, and the oils match my fly, and it's everything I could ask for in a fragrance. It's long lasting. You know, and my milkshake gets all the boys in the yard.
And I know that's right. Why do you like oil fragrances?
Because I like having my own unique smell. Like, when I shop with you, it's like, people be like, what is that? And it's not like you be like, oh, I went to Bath and Body Works, like, I have my own unique smell.
Oh, okay.
Yes, the combos are off the charts, okay? It's not specific to one scent. She mix and matches it for you and makes it specific to your unique wants and needs. Shop with the Lady Outside.
She said when she would talk to me, she didn't smell me, and then she smelled me after I would walk away.
Right. It speaks before you into the room and once you leave, too. So it's
I
good.
didn't leave her wondering, like, he was smelling that way the whole time I was talking to him, but I didn't smell him until after he walked away.
Okay, let's see what else. So we got 4. Okay, so one more. Okay, let's do it. So what do you want this one to smell like? What is your mood?
Always like the lingering, fresh effect.
Okay, see if you like body. That one's the body.
I would mix it with something, definitely. So half of that
So-
and half of something else.
So we're doing
Cool
mixing.
water. Did I get cool water?
Not yet.
Okay, yeah, we'll mix body with cool water.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So body.
We always manage.
Right.
with
Body.
inventory.
Yeah. We mix. That's why. And that's why it's so unique, because you're mixing 2 fragrances in one.
Oh, yeah.
So that's how we do it. We blend fragrances.
And here's
Yeah.
the roller.
That's the one that smells like liquor to me.
Yeah, I remember cool water. Cool water, some people that sell it was cut, but it was very strong. Kind of burn the nose.
Oh, no,
effect.
no,
Not
no.
yours, but other.
So what is it, like a perfume? Like stingy, or how was
Actually,
that?
It was steamy. It was a steamy perfume,
Oh, wow.
but it was very strong.
Oh, so it was a cologne.
Cool water is a very known strong fragrance, but this is balanced, so it's not too strong. Or too light.
Right. Okay, good. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. So you got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can do 5 to 35. Is that what you did before?
I got an extra one just.
Okay.
Because I just found the
1,
bottle
2,
in my car.
3, 4. Okay, so 5 to 35.
Ooh, there it is.
There it is. His chemistry and his energy, he said he drives him crazy. Okay. And but it's a good crazy, right?
Yeah.
It's a good crazy. It's not a. It's a good crazy. Let's see. I don't know how to. We out here. We're doing a mix. He's doing half and half. YSL, and the other one we're gonna do 1 Million Man. So we're out here blending up stuff.
Oh yeah.
We out here. Burberry. So Burberry by itself. We're doing blended fragrances, like blending them, mixing them, like kind of 2 scents in one bottle.
Yeah, Burberry is good by itself.
Right, so you just want to do by itself Burberry.
Yeah.
This is the Burberry one.
I used to mix Burberry, but after I got
It's
used
stronger too.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you just want it by itself. Just the Burberry's
Now
getting
you're
used.
gonna have to guess what this was, because whatever you put on there faded. It's 2 fragrance in one.
Oh, that smells like a drink. It does. It smells like some kind of cocktail. I don't know if I can repeat that. It smells like liquor. Like some kind of liquor, for real.
It does. Actually.
I know.
But it didn't
You
smell
sure
like,
he wasn't
It
drinking?
doesn't smell like an alcoholic beverage on the
Oh, let's see. I don't know what that could have been. Let's see. I'm not sure. Was it cool water and something?
I have a cool water bottle
Okay,
here.
I got cool water today.
Yeah,
We out here.
Mix cool water. I had.
My first video ever on YouTube, I was in the snow. I wanted to show people what I did. 20 or 30 years later, I'm still doing the same thing. Just a different location. If you start your business outside, or if you're watching me and you're a vendor, maybe you sell ice cream, maybe you do a food truck. But it's not a food truck. I'm talking about you standing outside on your own, eventually establishing a business on your own. Maybe standing in front of a grocery store, standing outside, standing in the wilderness if you're in the wilderness. But just offering something consistent that people know that you're there consistently, and they know that they can come to you, and you're not going to go anywhere. That's what business is outside. Being consistent, the same thing. The same thing. It's the same damn thing. It's just your location is a ceiling that is unlimited, opposed to a box, or a box, a room, in a little room with a cubicle. It's different from that, you know. And the overhead, you can pay. Some people charge you to pay. That's what happened to me. People wanted to pay to be outside. People wanted to pay to be outside next to me or in my spot. And there's nothing wrong with that at all. Just get it in writing. Get everything in writing. This way, when the wind blows hard, you still stand still. I really actually started a business with no man and no plan. My man went to jail, but he paid all my bills. He went to jail, and I stepped outside. I had no man, no plan, but I had a mentor that taught me that anything that you ask the universe, God, for, I started my business in the rain, in the cold, in the sleet, and in the snow. It's nice today, but it hasn't always been nice, you know. So, but the bottom line, outside. That could be your location. Yeah, for you to do what you want to do. Yeah, and you do. You have to have a lot of resilience when you're outside. You have to know your why you're doing it. Me, I didn't want to work for Mr. Charlie. I didn't want Mr. Charlie telling me what to do. I didn't want to be around the people that I was around at my job after a while. I just kind of outgrew everything. And I thought that if I got a loan, I wouldn't be able to pay it back. I thought that if I tried to get a big department store or something like that, I wouldn't like it. And all the thoughts, I was right. That's why I stepped outside. So if your money is funny and your change is strange, you might want to step outside to start your business. Anything you ask the universe, God, Jehovah, Buddha, whatever you ask for in the name of a higher power, you will be tested. And that's what my business was based on, a dare. Because when he said that to me, my mentor, I'm thinking, huh? He was my mentor that started the business outside for different reasons than I did. But the fact of the business ownership outside works. Download the 5 things that you must do if you want to start any business. I don't care if it's outside or you're on a hot tin roof. You need these 5 things if you want to start. Once you have these 5 things, it makes it a little bit simple, a little bit easier. It makes it a little bit more doable. Download the 5 things.